everyone, welcome to Padma's Kitchen Palace. Today let's see how to make a delicious, flavorful Kalmi Kebab. I have provided all the ingredients in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications. For this recipe I have taken 12 chicken drumsticks. With the help of a fork, I am pricking the chicken so that the masalas are well absorbed by the chicken. You can use the knife to make small cuts also, but by pricking it, the shape of the chicken will be retained. We need two types of marination for this. For the first marination, I am using 2 lemon juice, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon chilli powder and salt to taste. Mix it well and marinate for at least 15 minutes. For the second marination, we need to dry roast 4-inch cinnamon stick, 6 cloves, 6 cardamom, 3/4 tablespoon of black peppercorn, 3 tablespoon coriander seeds, 2 tablespoon cumin, 30 cashew nuts and 3 tablespoon roasted chickpeas. Roast this in a medium flame until it turns golden brown and nice aroma comes. Cool it and make a powder. For this powder, add 3 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and 8 tablespoon curd or yogurt and make a paste. Add this paste to the marinated chicken. Mix well until all the chicken is coated very well and marinate for at least 4 hours. The more you marinate, the better and flavorful the chicken will be. Cover the lid and marinate in the refrigerator. I have preheated the oven for 400 degree Fahrenheit. Bake the chicken for at least 15 minutes in one side. Then flip the chicken and bake for another 15 minutes on the other side. It's been cooked well on both the sides. With a fork, if you press it, it should go inside easily. That means the chicken has been cooked well. It is time to serve. It is a very juicy and delicious recipe. Each and every bite is very flavorful and perfect to serve as an appetizer or as an evening snack. To garnish, use some sliced onions, lemon wedges and coriander. Please do try this delicious recipe and let me know how it came. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And as always, be happy, be healthy and be safe. Take care.